Hey guys, it's me, Lena. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on me. And y'all know I don't do that often, but a girl had to get herself together out here looking rough. So right here is just a quick glimpse of showing y'all how easy it is to put these crochet twists in. And I got some kind of thick hair a little bit, but it was still kind of easy. So make sure y'all go subscribe right quick and then get into this video. I have some crochet passion twists, 24 inches. And then I have a pack of water wave, 24 inches also. And I'm going to be I call myself trying to take the easy way out, but I don't know if this is going to be the easy way out. It might be a harder way out. So I'm trying to use these crochet passion twists to put some passion twists in my hair. And then I'm going to use the water wave just to add some loose pieces in there for like a little boho look, a little messy look. So we're going to see how that goes. I'll be back with the second one after I see how this first one worked out. So at this point, y'all, I was about 4 braids in. So as you can see, I got 4 braids in my head already, and I put them all in a different way because I was trying to figure out what was the easiest way and fastest way to get these passion twists in my head. So now I'm going to show y'all how I put it in after the trial and error of the first ones. So I'm just putting this crochet hook through the passion twist so it's easier to pull my hair through. You don't really need a crochet hook. You can literally just open a little loop up at the top and pull your hair through. So whatever's easier, you actually just don't even need the crochet hook if you don't have one. So now that I pulled my hair through, I'm just going to braid my hair a little bit so the crochet passion twist stays on. So I didn't use any rubber bands in this style. I didn't want my head to be super tight because I did them a little bit smaller than I usually do. So I didn't want 1,000 rubber bands in my head. So I braided it a little bit. It's in there. It ain't going nowhere. And that's it. Because I need the takedown to be super easy too. So I'm just rubbing some gel on my hair to smooth it out a little bit and make it easier to wrap. So you see, at first I had to figure out which way I had to wrap it. So it was a little bit odd because these actually twist the opposite way of what I would normally do. So I had to get like my finger movements together, like, all right, twist the opposite way, twist, twist, twist. So I was just twisting my hair around and making sure it's in there pretty tight. And I just twisted it all the way down to the end of my hair and then tried to tuck the end of my hair in as good as possible, as much as I could, tuck it in there. It might, in a few days, poke out a little bit. I'm not sure, but I'll just put some more gel on it and wrap it and tuck it back in there. Even when I do regular passion twists in my hair will come out a little bit, but I just gel it and I just tuck it back in there. So it's good. I think they look good. It's not super tight. You can't really tell it's a crochet. We might be on to something. So now I pulled out this piece of water wave here because I thought I was going to do like a, boho goddess look. And then I got to putting it up and I'm like, ooh, this might be a mess. Yeah, I don't think I want to do that. I'm just going to leave that out. It was cute by itself. I felt like those pieces were going to tangle up, so I just eliminated it. Could have saved me some money. I bought a few packs of that here. But, okay, so now I'm just on to the next row. Parting my hair out. And I'm going to show y'all a couple more times how I put it in. I was still a little fresh on this side, but by the time I get to the other side, I had it down packed, so I zoomed through the other side really quick. So I'm just going to show you guys a few more times how I put this in. Watch closely. Slow it down if you need to, or pause a couple times, whatever you got to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button while you at it. Share it to a couple folks. And I'm going to just let y'all listen to this music for a second. Okay, so I was only a few braids in, maybe about 6 or something, but your girl was starting to feel herself. It was coming together. I'm like, ooh, these is gonna be cute when they get done, okay? I knew these braids was gonna be cute. Get it, get it. So I can't do hair without my music on, y'all. So I was vibing out. Somebody tell me in the comments what song y'all think I was listening to. I can't wait to see these responses. Had to call in reinforcements. I hate trying to part the back of my hair. Who got time for 2 or 3 mirrors? When you got one teenage eyeballs, that can do it for you. Okay, just get it together. Okay?
I can get this rubber band out.
Girl, just pop it.
Don't want to do that.
Pop the rubber band, not my head. You pop my head and pop your ass.
That's why I didn't want to do that.
I got through the front half by myself.
It's just using?
Yeah, don't judge me, judge your mama.
Weird.
5 rows, bro. 5 rows.
8. Got too much time.
Okay, so I'm loving how these crochet passion twists came out. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know what should be in the next video. All right, see ya.